Hello, my name is Elkin Diaz. I am married with 2 kids. I am from Elitin Tancul, Medialuna Magdalena State. I am quarantine. I live in Santa Marta City. I am 40 years old. I work as an electricity technician in Odin Refinery. I study industrial engineering at UNAT University. I love electronic technology and I spend my free time playing soccer with my friends and with my family in the mountain. Santa Marta is the oldest Colombian city. It is a tourist place located in the north of Colombia and is known as the Perla de America. Santa Marta, which works well all year round, is the characteristic but is wide in the beautiful beach, span beach bars, restaurants, and tourist infrastructure for finish, work, sport, and camping. From the Santa Marta Bay, you can see the Ponce landscape of Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. Any tourist, national and foreigner visited secret place, ancestral mount on the Tayrona. Try Jordan Plate to visit are the Los City, Rodadero Beach Bars, Concha Bay, and the Tayrona Park. Annually by mid-July, Santa Marta celebrated in the International Festival. When you visit Santa Marta, where relieve you marelics and may share your stay is pleasing, I invite you to enjoy the experience in Santa Marta.